Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I am way up high today, not for the faint-hearted at all. So I'm finally getting on some of this work that I've been waiting to do with this scaffolding here. Some bits I can't do because our scaffolding needs a little bit more height on it, not for another platform height. So but what I can reach is the window sills, and there's two window sills that need addressing. I'll show you guys what was done by whoever put them in when they built the house, what the issues are with it, and what I'm going to be doing to sort the problem out. So without further ado, let's have a look. This is one of the bathroom windows upstairs. This is the top floor, small window here. And this window sill has been done correctly. So you can see it's concrete window sill, and it ends right up to the window. So any water that comes down through this here rolls down straight onto the window sill and then drips down. Now the two windows that have the issues, which are down here, I shall show you what the state of them are and what the issue is and what I need to do to sort it out. So these windows, you can see a massive gap underneath the windows, huge gap. These windows should have come all the way down to the windowsill when they weren't. So these were not finished obviously properly. You can see that none of the windows have been sealed on the sides. Around here there's no sealant around any of the windows, so that's just poor workmanship. Also the window sills, the window sizes are wrong. The windows should, as I said, should have made it all the way down here. There's a second window down there which is exactly the same as this one. So what I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna clean this up as much as I can, clean up much of this paint off, clean up some bleach and clean the concrete out, and I'm going to add some more concrete on this, and I'm going to bring it a bit higher up here. Sorry for the wind up here guys, really windy at the back here. I'm on the mountainside, so I'm going to sort of bring this up with some more concrete. I have a special sort of concrete to use for this, which I'll show you guys in a minute, which should do the trick for this. And then eventually this whole side of the house is going to be painted. So first things first is clean this up, scrape this stuff up, and just clean all this black dirt off and get it ready for cement. Okay, so this is the product that I'm going to be using here. It's called MasterSeal 590, formerly Waterplug. It is a one component cement based fast setting water stop repair and anchoring mortar. So this is supposed to be, as you can see, sets in 3 to 5 minutes, completely waterproof, ready to top coat in 15 minutes. It's supposed to be the bee's knees. It's supposed to stop running water, so you can use it if you've got a leak, water getting through somewhere. It's supposed to sort of set as it gets wet. It makes it set more rapid apparently, and it plugs up holes like really quickly. So it's good for concrete and masonry as well, cracks and holes, and it's fast setting. So I'm going to be using this. I think this is from America, what it got sent through from St. Martin, I think. So it's not something that we sell here, but had to be shipped over. The customer wanted this specific product. So I'll be using this to repair these window sills and sort out this window sill issue. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's basically cementitious, quite fine. Already opened this one. This is what I'll be using to repair any damage to the outside of the house before painting. As you can see, just need to take some of it in a bucket, mix it with water. It's quite fine, very, very fine, like cement. So yeah, so I'm going to be using that. So let's go up there and start. Alright guys, let me just show you a little close-up of this first one I've done and how I've ended up doing this. So this is the cement that I filled up in this area here. which is the big gap that was underneath the window. So you can see that side around there and all the way around to there. Now this product is absolutely insane, and in my opinion this is not the right product to do this. This really is for literally you've got a leaking hole in the wall or some drain or a swimming pool or something, because literally as soon as water touches this thing, it starts to get so hot and start setting. And I'm literally I made a first batch in here, probably about that much, mixed it, and before while I started mixing it, probably I hadn't been mixing it for a minute, and it just became literally a stone. So I was like, okay, how am I going to do this with this product? So I've taken some water up here, I've taken a bucket, and I'm literally doing a trowel at a time, mixing it with water really quickly. And you can see that this has gone to rock already. I only literally just mixed a little bit to do that last pass, push some. I've been doing like a bit here and a bit here and a bit here and a bit here, and then it's already gone rock hard. So yeah, horrible to work in. This is the sort of thing I think that you use dry, where you've got some water issue, and you just put the dry cement in it and then it just sets while the water's running. It's supposed to do something like that. So yeah, nightmare. But on to the next one. Let's see how I get on with the other one. Alright guys, so this is the second window I've done now. Just see a little close up again. Basically I've packed that up in there. Again, a nightmare to do this, just need to clean it all up now. But yeah, this gone the other side is gone rock hard like concrete already. So at least we've got the issue sorted about water getting underneath the window, so that'll be sorted. So yeah, all we need to do now is seal around the windows, which was not done before. As you can see, all around the windows need to be sealed, and then yeah, the painting can commence. So that's just a quick video, guys. Just want to show you that this little project that I've done there. And yeah, definitely keep your eyes out on that cement. If you do use that stuff, at least you know what you're getting into. So I would not recommend it for this stuff. It's absolute nightmare. It's just not enough working time, but it works for something. If you've got a leak somewhere that you need to just sort of block up real quick, it'll definitely work for that. So guys, that's it for me on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick one for you, and until the next one, see you soon. Peace out.